One microscopic defect in a PCB can completely destroy a finished electronic product. At PCBgogo, every board goes through a strict 6-step quality control process. Before production begins, our engineers carefully verify Gerber files, dimensions, drill data, and manufacturing specifications to prevent potential issues early. After drilling, AOI inspection checks hole accuracy and alignment. After copper plating, AOI systems scan every layer in real time to detect opens, shorts, and misalignment. For prototypes, flying probe testing is used. For mass production, automated electrical testing ensures fast and accurate verification of every net connection. For PCBA, X-ray inspection reveals hidden solder joints like BGA and QFN. For bare PCBs, we perform final dimensional and appearance checks before routing and shipment. Visual and dimensional inspection. Experienced inspectors verify board dimensions, hole sizes, surface finish, and overall appearance. Every order receives a final review to ensure it meets customer specifications and quality standards. Only after passing all 6 inspections can a PCB leave our factory. At PCBgogo, PCB manufacturing is only the beginning of our service. Delivering reliable quality is what defines our brand.